Next to question number 1. There are two groups and n equal 8 and m1 equal 65. Okay, let's say marks. And the other group n equal 12 and m equal 72. Now we need to find the total marks when we put all together. So in that case, total marks is going to be 65 times 8 plus 72 times 12, and total observation is total number of students is 12 plus 8, 20. So this is the mean marks. Let's say in bar or something. So 65 times 8 plus 72 times 12 divided by 12 plus 8, 20. You will get 1084 over 20, which is 69.2. Question number 2. So there's a coding, so we'll apply the coding. Let's take 807. So 807 minus 7 by 80. 800 divided by 80, that is going to be 10. So likewise, this is going to be 10, and this is going to be 12, 9, 2, 2.5, and 9.5. So I need to find the mean now. Code this is x, this is y. So y bar equal 10 plus 12 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2.5 plus 9.5 divided by 6. So then this is going to be 45 over 6, which is 7.5. Now from here I need x bar now. So y equal x minus 7 over 80. So I can write y bar x bar. So x bar equal 80 y bar plus 7. So 80 times y bar mean 7.5 plus 7. So this is going to be 607. 7.5. Question number 3. The coded meaning is given. That means y is given 18. Code is given y equal x minus 720 over 1000. And we can apply the bar because I show you that. So then x bar equal 1000 times y bar plus 720. Now x bar equal 1000 times 18 plus 720. So this is going to be 18,000 plus 720. Question number 4. This is two teaching methods. It's a comparison of a two teaching method, and this is the mark class of the marks, or 20 to 29 and 30 to 39. Actually, to work this sum out, we don't need to turn into this continuation, but as a good practice I did, but you can work keeping like this as well. So somehow there I saw that there's a discontinuation 29 to 30 gap. Then I alter that gap, but for this sum you don't need to, but good practice always is good. That's why I turn into this one, but in the exam don't try to do it if this kind of question because not necessary. We need this kind of thing for interpolation. uh, and now, so I found out the midpoint, and this is the frequency and the frequency for B, and we want to find let's say x bar for A group. Then we want to multiply by 24.5 times 1 plus 34.5 times 3 uh, plus 44.5 times 6 plus 54.5 times 6 plus 64.5 times 11 plus 74 times 5 times 10 plus 84.5 times 8, that all divided by summation, the total of this one. So divide by 45. So the summation, the total is 45. This is going to be 63.39. And group B, XB, is 24.5 times 1 plus 34.5 times 2 plus 44.5 times 4 plus 54.5 times 13 plus 64.5 times 15 plus 74.5 times 6 plus 84.5 times 3 divided by 44. The total, this is 45 and this is 44, and 2648 divided by 44 equals 60.18. Part B, which group is better? So which one is higher? Group A is higher. Group A is met so not group A, method used to teach group A is better than B, better than that of B, as mean marks of A is higher than B. Question number 5. The first question is write down the model class of the light on the battery. We can see that the model class is 21 to 25, or if you work with this form, going to be 25.2, 25.5. Both are right because I turned the data for the interpolation and I found the midpoint and frequency. And part B, using to find the median lifetime. So then I need the capital F, cumulative frequency, 2, 2 plus 10, 12, 12 plus 18, 20, 30, 30 plus 75, 80. So then where is the 40 dice? Because n divided by 2 is the median. So it is going to be 80 divided by 2, which is 40. So 40 is in between here. So in that case, the terms 30 and terms 75, the upper bound is 25.5 and lower is 20.5. I need 40. So this is median. Let's say Q2. Q2 is the median. second quartile. So Q2 minus 20.5 over 25.5 minus 20.5 equal 40 minus 30 over 75 minus 30. Then Q2 you will get 21.6. Now we want to find the mean. Mean is I found out the midpoint of those. So this is going to be 8 times 2 plus 13 times 10 plus 18 times 18 plus 23 times 45 plus 28 times 5 divided by 80. So our answer should be 20.6. So part D, another 12 batteries is going to add this one. So total lifetime of 12 batteries. 12 multiplied by mean, that is 22.3. So this will come to a 267.6. Now we have the total lifetime of this 12, and this is the total lifetime of 80 batteries. Then total lifetime of 92 batteries are 267.6 plus 1645 equal 1912.6. Hence mean of 92 batteries 1912.6 divided by 92. So that is going to be 20.8 hours. Question number 6. I adjust. There was a gap between 20 and 21, so I get adjust by putting 0.5 up and both interval lower and above. So this is the frequency. This is 5. So this is cumulative frequency. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 plus 18, 50, 60. Now we want to find the interquartile range. IQR mean Q3 minus Q1. Q1 will find n divided by n divided by 2, 4. So 60 divided by 4, that is going to be 15. So we need 15th term. We'll find the 15th term in here. So this is not 18, this is 8. And because of that, this is 15. 50 divided by 4, 12.5. So we need 12.5. So 12.5 in between 15 and 30. So 15 and 30, 5 and 12. So the lower boundary is 5, the upper boundary is 15. So this is 20.5, and this upper one is 40.5. Or you can think about like this as well. The 12.5 term we need, but it is not here. This is the boundary. So what is 20.5 boundary? In 25 point you have 5, and 45 boundary, 40.5 boundary, you have 15. So you can come like that as well, 20.5, and this is Q1. So Q1 minus 20.5 divided by 40.5 minus 20.5 equal 12.5 minus 5 divided by 15 minus 5. So Q1 we will get 35.5, and Q3 we need, so n divided by 4 and 3. So basically 50 divided by 4 times 3, it means 12.5 times 3, 37.5 terms. So now 37.5, this is up to 30th, this boundary, and 37.5 here is here. So this is the boundary 60 and 60.5. I think there's something wrong. This is 60.5 and this is 80.5. So 60.5 and 80.5. Or at 80.5, 42. At 65 point mean, starting 60 point mean end of this one, which is 30. So this is going to be 37.5, and this is Q3. So Q3 we can find Q3 minus 60.5 minus 80.5 minus 60.5 equal 37.5 minus 30, 42 minus 30. So Q3 you will get 73. So IQR is 73 minus 35.5, which is 37.5. Question number 7. We want to calculate the percentiles. This is capital F. We'll find out the cumulative frequency. Start with 10. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 24, 84. 84 plus 16, 100. There are 100 data. So we need to find P30th. First, P30th. It means whole data, number of data, divide by 100, and we want to get 30th one. So which is again cancel out 30th term. So the 30th term is in 30th term exactly match with the boundary 20.5, 30. Right? 20.5, 30, and 10.5, 10. So this is exactly match with the 30th term. So 20.5, and then I need P 70. 100 divided by the frequency divided into 100 pieces and 70th. So this is going to be 70th term. 70th term in between here 62. Basically it is not in this, it is in this. So if it is in here, it means this is up to 60, 70 is here. So this is the boundary we want to look at. So 30.5, 40.5, up to 40.5, 84. When it is um, to make it clear, I'll draw this one as in a number line. 0.5 here, that is 0. Then when it's come to going above 0.5 here, then the frequency is 0. Then when it is going to 10.5, because this 10 is belongs to not this one, it belongs to this one. This 20 is not belongs to this, it's belong to this one. So 10.5, 10, then 20.5, 20, then 30.5, sorry, 20.5, 30, and 30.5, 60 cumulative, and 40.5, 84, then 50.5, 100. So 60 to 84 in this area we can find 70. It means 30.5 to 40.5. So when you look at the boundary, 30.5 to 40.5, this is 60 and this is 80. Oh, we need 70. So this is going to be P17. P70 minus 30.5 over 40.5 minus 30.5 equal 70 minus 60 over 84 minus 60. So P70 you will get I'll calculate this one. So this is P minus 30.5 over, this is 10, 70 minus 10 and 24. P70 minus 30.5 equal 10 times 10, 100 over 24. Then P70 equal 30.5 plus 100 over 24. The answer should be 34.7. Then interpercentile range 30 to 70. P70 minus P30. So 34.7 minus 20.5, which is 14.2. Question number 8. We want to find the interquartile range. So summation F is 80 when you add 5 plus 10 plus 36 plus 20 plus 9. And Q1 we need to find the interquartile range. Q1 is 80 divided by 4, that is 20th term. Meaning 20th term in not in this is 5 plus 10, 15. Up to here it is 5, 15. Then 20th term should be in this interval. Then there is a gap 39 to 40. So it is going to be 39.5, 49.5, and 36. Always this value is belongs to the last one because at the end. So this is going to be 36. What is the 40 value? 40 value, it may mean when you merge this one, this is 39.5 and this is also 39.5. So 39.5 value is 10. So we need 20th terms, that is Q1. Then we will get Q1 minus 39.5 over 49.5 minus 39.5 equal 20 minus 10, 36 minus 10. So Q1 is going to be 40.9. Question, we need to find third quartile. So whole frequency divided into 4 pieces, and we want to get the third length. It means 20 times 60th term. Up to here 15, 15 plus 36, 1, 51, and this is going to be 51 plus 20, 61. So up to here 51, 60th terms is not here, it is only in this section, 50 to 59. So initially it is 50 to 59. So but we have to amend it, that going to be 49.5 to 59.5, and this is going to be 61. Cumulative frequency up to 59.61, and up to 49 point it is going to be 51. And actually this is not 61, this is 71, and this is 80. So this is 71. So Q3 I need which term? 60th terms. So that is going to be the Q3. Then Q3 minus 49.5 divided by 59.5 minus 49.5 equal 60 minus 51 over 71 minus 51. We will get Q3 as 54. Then IQR is Q3 minus Q1, 54 minus 40.9, that is going to be 13.1. So we want to find the variance. Variance is summation fx square over summation f over summation fx over summation f square. So this is going to be 516,112.5 divided by 80, and 5745 5075 divided by 80 square. So this value, sorry, I think I put the wrong number. I put the numbers in the next one. So this is going to be 183,040 over 80 minus 3740 over 80 square. So the answer is going to be 102.43, approximately 102. Then standard deviation is variance. Then variance 102.43, which is approximately 10.1. Question number 9. This kind of question. This is about 50 flowers, and yeah, this is 95. Yes, continuity is there. So this is the 5, 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 25, 41 plus. So this is the cumulative. So we want to find IQR. So first of all, we need to find Q1. Q1 means n divided by 2, n divided by 4, which is 80, 50 divided by 4, that is going to be 12.5. So 12.5 term, not in this one, 5 to 15 this one. It should be here. So 95 to 100 and 5 to 15. We need 12.5 terms. That is going to be Q1. So Q1 minus 95 minus 100 over 95 equal 12.5 minus 5 over 15 over 5. Q1 is going to be 98.75. So Q3 n divided by 4 and 3. So this is 50 divided by 4 times 3. This is 12.5 times 3, 37.5. And Q3 equal 37.5 in here. 15, this is 101 in between. So this is the boundary. 100 and 105, and this is 41 and this is 15. So we need 37.5. Q3. Now Q3 minus 100 over 105 minus 100 equal 37.5 minus 15 over 41 minus 15. Q3 equal 104.3. So IQR is Q3 minus Q1, 104.3 minus 98.75, and answer is 5.58. We want to find the standard deviation, part D. So standard deviation equal summation fx square over summation f minus summation fx over summation f. So I think I teach you how to keep this one in your memory. So it's first of all sigma fx over sigma f, sigma fx over sigma f. Both are same at present minus. This is become this x square and this is become square. So this is variance. If it is standard deviation, you have to take the square root. You should not wait until look at the formula sheet. It will waste the time. And if you can't remember what will happen this formula, when it's come to different mode, like summation AB square over summation A, summation AB over A over square in different way, it will take time to turn these formula by looking at your sheet and then turn into this one because you are not used to it. But if you can remember, you are already used and you are using it. So yes, summation fx square is 56516 2.5 over 50 minus 5.75 over 50 square root. So you will get this value as 4.47. Question number 10. This is about the temperature. So we'll find the midpoint. So this is going to be 11 plus 13 divided by 2, 12. This is 14, and this is going to be 16. So then x bar is 12 times 12 plus 14 times 14 plus 16 times 4 divided by what is the summation f? Summation f is 12 plus 14 plus 4, 30. So divide by 30, you will get the answer 202 divided by 15, that is 13.5. Now we'll work out summation TF 12 times 12 plus 14 times 14 plus 16 times 4, which is 202. Then summation TF square, so no, T square F 12 square times 12 plus 14 square times 14 plus 16 square times 4. So this value is going to be 916. Then we need sigma standard deviation summation T summation ft square, write ft square ft square over summation f summation ft over summation f square. So this is going to be so this is 40 for this value. So 5496 divided by 30 minus 4 over 4 divided by 30 square root. This value is going to be 1.36. Now we need to find the P10 and P90 and P90. So we need cumulative. This is 12. This is 26. This is 30. This is 0. So P10, that means total frequency divided by 100 pieces and take 10. It means it's going to be third term. So third term is in here 0 to 12, 11 and 13. So this is 11, 13, 0, 12. I need third term, that is going to be P10. P10 minus 11 over 13 minus 11, 3 minus 3 minus 0 over 12 minus 0. So P10 we will get as 11.5. Then we need P90. So 30 divided by 200 pieces, and I need 90. So this is going to be 27th term. 27 up to 26 here. 27 in this one. It means 15 to 17. This is 30th. This is 26. And 27th term P90. So P90 minus 15 over 17 over 15 and 27 over 26 over 30 minus 26. So P90 will give 15.5. So interpercentile range, that is P90 minus P10. So 15.5 minus 3, that is going to be minus 11.5, that is going to be 4. Part C. Now estimate the number of days in September where the daily mean temperature rise more than one standard deviation greater than the mean. So this is one standard deviation greater than mean. So let's say that value is some x1, then 13.5 is 1.36. That is going to be 14.86. Now we will be working the other way around. So this is 14.86. We need the days. So we need this one. I'll take this as a D. Then D minus 12 over 26 minus 12 equal 14.86 minus 13 over 15 minus 13. So you will get D as 25.02. So this is 0, 11. Now up to here, that is 25.02, and total days it is 17. Now up to here it is 30. So this distance is 30 minus 25.02. So this is going to be about 4.98. So approximately 5 days. Question number 11. This is the coordinates given, and those are the data. We want to find the coded mean Z bar. So summation Z over n, that is 100 over 31. That is going to be approximately 3.419. And so standard deviation, standard deviation. So this is going to be sigma z. Sigma z. We know that this is going to be x summation z minus z bar square over n. So this is going to be s z over n. So s z 80.55 over 31. So this is going to be 1.6119 approximately. this is the, we'll find the mean 2, so I can put z bar. So w bar equal 2 z bar plus 3. So w bar equal to z bar plus 3. It means 2 times z bar. We found out 3.14419 plus 3. That is 9.84. And we need sigma w equal to z plus 3. So sigma w equal 2 times sigma z. So 2 times sigma z is 1.6119, which is 3.22. Question number 12a. We have summation f is 20 and summation x is 360 and summation x square is we want to find the mean. Summation x over summation f 316 over 20, that is 15.8. Then the standard deviation summation x over n, then summation x square over n, summation x over n square. So this is going to be 5078 over 20 minus 15.8 square root, that is 2.06 approximately. And B, without doing any further calculation, say how you think about the extra wingspan will affect the mean. One normal, it had wingspan 13 centimeter. Yeah, yeah. Mean will be decreased as 13 is less than 15.8. Mean wingspan. Part C. It's a different sum look like again n equal 20. Summation is equal 104 and S is 1.8 and coded data is Z y minus 5 10. We'll work out the Z bar. Z bar mean summation Z over n 104 over 20, that is going to be 5.2, and the mean, so Z bar equal y bar minus 5 over 10, so y bar equal 10 Z plus 5, so 10 times 5.25. So 52 plus 5, this is going to be 57 centimeters. Then we want to work out this one first, sigma z, then I can calculate sigma y. Sigma z is s z over n square root. So this is going to be 1.8 over 20 square root equals 0.3. Then y bar equal 10 times z. Y equal, this is the coordinate 5. Then sigma y equal 10 times sigma z. So 10 times sigma z is 0.3, which is 3. 5, the constant we don't consider. Here z mean uh, square root of z summation z minus z bar square over n. So this part we write as s z over n.